Hello friends, Namaste. So this video is to share the results of Divi's Labs. Okay, today the market was a little weak. Divi's Labs results were declared on 6th of November. So let us see the analysis of the results. So welcome to Stockify. Please subscribe if you want some good information to come to you in your inbox. I am on BSc. So this is Divi's Laboratories. Today it is down by 6.87%. So you can see here. Now we can see the results. You see the result is on 6th November. So if we, let us say, see the half-yearly unaudited consolidated report declared on 6th of November, you can see all figures are in lakhs. Revenue from 1,749 crores to 1,960 crores to 1,987 crores. Right? June to last year, September to June to this first quarter of this year to September, the second quarter of the current year. Let us see the profit for the year. So if I use, let us say, this one. So 519 crores to 557 crores to 606 crores. Now in the same way, let us see what we call EPS. So we can see here 19 rupees 57 paisa to 20.99 rupees to 22.84 is the basic EPS. Now let us see the stock price. See, for example, it was very weak today, down by 5%. In fact, during the day, it was down by some 7%. Okay, so it was down by some 7% during the day, but now it is closed at some 5.15. In the last 5 days, it was weak. In the last one also, it was very weak. In the last 6 months, it is positive. So in the last 6 months, it gave 19.34% returns. And year to date, so it gave 28% return. For the entire 1 year, last November to this November, it gave 44% returns. Now, whatever the results that we have seen, let us see and see them. I mean, I put in a, what to say, I put all of them in a tabular form. So whatever that we saw, revenue increased by just 1% for quarter on quarter is just 1%, but increased by 14% on year basis. Net profit is increased by 9% on quarter basis. And the same is increased by 17% on year basis. EPS is increased by 9% and the same is increased by 17% on year basis. Whereas if you see the stock price increased by 11% on quarter basis and increased by 61% on year basis. Now, since Divi's Lab is part of Nifty Pharma is down by 4% on quarter basis, and the same is increased by 17% on year basis. Now you see the Nifty Pharma is up by 17% on year basis. This company's EPS and net profit is also up by 17%. Whereas Nifty is up by 58%. So we can see the gap. Stock is up by 61%, whereas EPS is up by just 17%. And of course, that's why we have seen what we call. We have seen the down today. Today it was some 7% down. Now it is some 4.5% down. What these results indicate? Stock is good, no doubt about it. Divi's is a good stock fundamentally. And then what it appears is that in the future, in the near future, there could be some more correction. So you can wait for, if you want to do some long-term or investment by some kind of SIP way, so wait for some more correction to come. So that is it. Thank you for listening. So that is the result of Divi's Labs. So let us meet again on some other company. Thank you. So Divi's Lab results. End of Divi's Lab results. Thank you.